सड़क परिवहन और राजमार्ग मंत्रालय ने वॉलंटरी व्हीकल फ्लीट मॉडर्नाइजेशन प्रोग्राम VVMP अथवा स्क्रैपिंग नीति की शुरुआत कर रही है। ये विन विन सिचुएशन है। किसी गरीब आदमी का व्हीकल हम खत्म कर दें, उसको बंद कर दें, इस प्रकार का भाव इसमें नहीं है।
The vehicle scrappage scheme announced by the government is likely to usher in significant change in the Indian automobile industry.
यह एक ऐसी विन विन पॉलिसी होगी जिसमें न केवल पुराने वाहनों को स्क्रैप करने का प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा, बल्कि नए वाहन खरीदने के लिए सामान्य जनमानस को आर्थिक सहूलियत भी मिलेगी।
According to the new policy, commercial vehicles of more than 15 years and passenger vehicles of more than 20 years will have to be mandatorily scrapped if they do not pass the fitness and emission tests. Also, government departments will have to let go of their vehicles after they are used for 15 years. Customers and fleet owners will have to get their vehicles tested after a certain period to ascertain their fitness depending on the tailpipe emission and other parameters. Vehicle owners who would voluntarily scrap their vehicles will get a rebate on road tax in the range of 15 to 25% and a complete waiver of registration fees on the next new vehicle purchase. Automobile manufacturers will also have to offer a discount of 5% against a certificate of vehicle scrapping. Also, vehicle owners will get a value for their old vehicles from scrapyards, which will be around 4 to 6% of the price of a new vehicle. Automobile manufacturers such as Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, and Mahindra have already announced their investments for setting up vehicle dismantling centers across the country. Car makers expect these centers to generate significant revenue in the next few years once the scrapping of vehicles becomes a practice. This will also help in creating more jobs.
स्क्रैपिंग पॉलिसी के लागू होने पर न केवल इन आंकड़ों में वृद्धि होगी, पर स्क्रैपिंग सेंटर ऑटोमेटिक फिटनेस सेंटर की वजह से 10,000 करोड़ का अतिरिक्त निवेश और 35,000 लोगों को डायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलने की संभावना है।
Industry experts suggest that the new policy will help push commercial vehicle fleet owners to scrap their old trucks and small commercial vehicles. The Union government's proposal to levy an extra green cess on old commercial and passenger vehicles will also push fleet owners to replace old vehicles with new ones. And these could lead to a surge in demand for new vehicles.